Okay, first of all, you need to ask the customer, do they like put their hair up on a ponytail or not, okay? If they say yes, I do. So you have to make sure at least about 1.5 inches away from the hairline right here. So, and sometimes you can just kind of put your finger there and put the hair up, see if they can see your finger. You cannot see it, that means it's good. And also, it has to be at least like 1 inch away from both sides from the hairline. So you pick up the hair. And if she's gonna put up like a ponytail, then we should use the topper on the bottom. And then about 1/4 inch away from the scalp. And then we can use the regular one for this. And make sure the hair have movement. Okay? And okay, for example, if her right here, if her back here, if it's short, then this one might be a little bit too long, so you can cut it. Because you have to leave this space. So now if I put this on, it's gonna be overlap, right? So you can cut these off. Some people have, you know, the back like wider, some narrower, yeah. If she just wanted to have volume, then you can like about 1 inch away, okay? If she want to have length, then you have to make it more close, a little bit more closer. So it's about 1/2 inch. So it depends how many track that you have to put in. So average about like 3 track, like 1, 2, 3. But if the person have a lot of hair and she want to have length, then you have to put 4 track. Then you have to make it more closer. Now remember, 1 inch away from the hairline, okay? And also, if she doesn't really need a lot of hair, you can have a little space in between. And then you can kind of like put one in here and one there, just kind of close up a little bit. Okay, right now this is the third track. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the top room. Okay, so now let's do when you can use the micro tab. Okay, now if the person have really fine hair on the side and then they want to have extension, so we can use the micro tab, but also have to be about 1 inch away from the hairline. Okay. When you fold the micro tab, fold it, and on this side it kind of like bulky, so I think it's a better way to do it. Use a flat iron, kind of like touch up a little bit, so it will melt the tape, so it will stay more flat. See, like right now, like this, it's not really flat because when you fold it, right in, where the fold is. Now we're gonna remove it. Remove it a little hard because it's so close to the scalp. It's new, but you spray a little bit on top. And then use the tail comb, go in and kind of separate a little bit. Right now it's very easy to remove because the tape is still new. So you take it like this, spray a little bit more, and then take it down like that. Sometimes after 2-3 months, the tape, it will melt a little bit. So you use your finger, hold it right here to take this off, okay? A lot of people, they go like this way, from the corner like this, and peel it off. And a lot of times, because the customer, her hair is still stuck to the tape, so if you do it like this, you can kind of pull on her hair. So always go from the top down.